Hi, Tony from Songwriters Chop Shop here. Inspiration for songwriting can be found everywhere, especially when you see everything as a metaphor. Pick a random object, anything will do. Let's say you look around your room and see a sock. Okay, what do I automatically assume about socks? Socks come in pairs. A single sock is pretty useless. What could that be a metaphor for? Relationships maybe. So this song could be about, society would have me believe I need to be in a relationship. Why is that? Or add some drama to your metaphors by using opposites. Pick another random object. I see my guitar. What does that mean to me? Well, I use it to play music, and music is my favorite way to express myself. Okay, so what's the opposite of expression? Feeling repressed. So, wanting to express myself versus feeling repressed. This song is about finding a way of expressing yourself despite being repressed. If you're new to songwriting, there's a free cheat sheet linked below that can take you from no idea to a finished song. Catch you next time.